The advance will provide $1,000 per employee up to a maximum of $10,000. What?
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money? Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornelius with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel. Man, my bad. I know it's been a little while since I've been back on, but I want to cut straight to the point today. It's a lot going on. I just started a new venture, but anyway, I'm wiggling back my time now to make sure I can reach out to my people and tell y'all what's the deal. So today, man, I'm talking about this SBA that's going on, man. You know, there's a lot of things going on out here. I'm not gonna say the name of what's going on with everything, but you know everything going on. People walking around with their face covered up and, you know, latexes and stuff on their hands and all that. But peace and love to everybody, all the if anybody there is affected, and then to the nurses and the people that's out there working and doing their thing. Now, as far as my take on it, we're not gonna get into the how my brain operates as far as this matrix and how they put stuff in your face to kind of test you and test your fear and all this other stuff. But let's get into the business, man. Let's do that. So there's a loan, the economic and injury disaster loan from the SBA, pretty much helping out businesses that were going around, because a lot of business got slowed up during this time. So what they had this program, they had a couple different programs, mainly dealing with payroll and just dealing with not being able to make money. But if you had a business before like February 2020, on paper, then you could apply for this loan. All right. So, and everybody was looking at, there was like a $10K forgivable loan, which in my mind, that's kind of like a grant. But, you know, stipulations come with, all money ain't free. I always heard that money ain't free, if somebody giving you money. So, but my bad for not coming on and rapping with y'all and telling y'all to at least go apply for that thing if y'all had the business. Matter of fact, I still go over there and try to. After seeing what came in, I was talking with a couple of my peoples, couple other business owners I know, and they was letting you apply with a social security number. So what that mean? I know y'all waiting on that stimulus, but the people who start businesses, we was waiting on that SBA forgivable loan, that AKA grant in my eyes. So yeah, I went on and applied, and guess what? I went on and applied for one of my businesses, and I applied for under the sole proprietor, because I'm a real estate agent. So I mean, that's a business too, but they let you use your SSN. So I applied that way. So you could apply for multiple businesses, nonprofits. You could apply if you drove DoorDash or Uber or something. You could do it. So, and everybody's like, man, I'm gonna get this 10K. So let me just pull up this email. I'm gonna pull it up right here. But let's see. I'm gonna read it. I'm just reading it from my computer, but I'm gonna pull up on the screen. On March 29th, following the passage of the CARES Act, the SBA provided small business owners and nonprofits impacted by that there with the opportunity to obtain up to a $10,000 advance on their economic injury disaster loan, EIDL. The advance is available as part of the full EIDL application and will be transferred into the account you provide shortly after your application to be submitted. To ensure that the greatest number of applicants can receive assistance during the challenging time, the amount of your advance will be determined by the number of your pre-disaster as of January 31st, 2020 employees. What? The advance will provide $1,000 per employee up to a maximum of $10,000. What? You may be eligible for another loan program, the Paycheck Protection Program, which is available through participating lenders. Below is a comparison of the two loan programs. What? So you know what I'm looking at? Purpose. Paycheck Protection Program, forgivable if used for payroll. Minimum of 75% of the funds received and the remaining for certain operating expenses. Okay, cool. EIDL loan to meet financial obligations and operating expenses that could have been met had the disaster not occurred. Correct. Up to $2 million. Terms 3.75 interest for business. 2.75 for nonprofits, up to 10 million, 1% interest rate. These low interest rates, y'all. Forgivable, yes. The EIDL loan, no. The EIDL advance, hello, yes. Maturity, 2 years. Maturity, 30 years. Deferred 6 months, deferred 1 year. That means if you got this EIDL loan and you had 10 employees, you get your 10 bands, it's deferred for a year, and it's forgivable. But they've been doing they dance with this language now. This language out here wasn't out here. And I just received, I think this morning, a partner hit me up yesterday and told me about it. What you mean $1,000 per employee? But it is what it is. It's the name of the game. So my bad, family, for not reaching out to you. But I just want to update you on this this SBA that's going on, and I'm gonna be doing more videos. I'm getting back to it. But you know, you already know, man. If you interested, it's your first time here, I tell you step by step how to get business credit and do some other things. I put a link up for the business credit. If you want to consult with your boy, toosmarttobebroke.com/consult. It's $30 for 30 minutes currently right now. But I'm gonna give you the real deal. This credit game is changing. This business credit game is changing. But, you know, it's still always time for you to be operating not in the individual capacity. It's time for you to start learning how to operate outside of that capacity and start you a business or a nonprofit or something along those lines. I'm not a tax attorney, advisor, CPA, or nothing like that. And I'm a brother learning just like you. So if I can get out here and do it, you can do it better than I can. So the time is now, people. Take that stimulus funds or whatever you and invest into your hustle, invest into your business, get you an LLC, start learning the nuances, and let's get this digital currency. Who knows what's to come? You too smart to be broke. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.